how to change email address on Cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change email address on Cake. So here is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Cake account, just like I've done here. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon. So your profile icons page, the next step is to scroll down until you can see your account. Okay, then select that. So the accounts page, you can see your Kik username, you can see your email, you can see your name, you can see change password, and then log out. So go ahead to click on email. By clicking on email, you can see that you have an option for you to cancel the current email in there. All right, you can just easily erase this and then enter in a new email address, and then a verification code will be sent to the email that was verified to appear that your email has been confirmed on this page. As for me, I still want to stick to the current email I'm using, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Click on save, and that is it. So in case you are wondering how you can change your email address, I'm sure this has answered your question, so go ahead to try that out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.